Hey guys, welcome to another episode of my channel. So today we are going to talk about maybe the best resource monitor system for your local network out there. And in order to install it, there you can find binary files, but in order for everything to be more simpler, I'm strongly recommending using Docker. And when we are talking about Docker, there is nothing more simpler than CasaOS. So I'm going to open App Store in here and let me check for it. That's this program, Beszel, or however you want to pronounce this. I'm going to install it and wait until it's done. All right, I have it in here. So let me check the settings. In here, everything seems right. Okay, I'm not going to change anything. I'm just going to click on it. And first thing, we have to create an account. And first I'm going to change theme to night theme because it's much easier. And now first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to add system. And the first computer that I'm going to add is going to be my Ubuntu server, where I'm hosting Beszel for that matter. So I'm going to call it home server, and I'm going to add IP address. And now, before I add system, I'm going to copy Docker Compose. And plus you can copy Docker Run, but I'm going to go with Docker Compose. Okay, and I'm going to add system. Now you can see that we are reading literally nothing. That is because we don't have a client application running. In order to solve that problem, I'm going to get back to CasaOS. I'm going to go to App Store, custom install, this import button, and Docker Compose, and in here I'm going to paste everything. So in here you can see that I have literally all of necessary data for this installation. So submit. Okay. And just click on install. You see, I have it up and running. So now let me see my Beszel. You see? Now I'm getting readings. And of course I don't have any readings for GPU because there is no GPU on that system. I'm going to click on it, and in here you can find more details. All right, I'm going to get back. And now I'm going to install Beszel client on my laptop. For that I'm going to open my Tilix, and we don't need this anymore. Actually, we do need it because I need to create that system. Add system, name, my machine, and I just want to see what is IP address of my machine. 37. Going to copy. All right. And I'm going to take Docker Compose. I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to add system. And of course, nothing yet. I'm going to clear my screen. Let's see what I have in here. Do I have Docker directory? No, I'm going to create one. Now I'm going to navigate to Docker. Then I'm going to create Beszel. All right. And I'm going to create nano compose YAML. And I'm going to copy entire content. All right. Going to write this out. Going to exit. Clear my screen. And now Docker compose ---- file, and of course path to compose.yaml up. I need to use sudo. So we are installing it. Let me check. Yeah, we have readings. And by the way, this laptop doesn't have any GPU, same as in case of my server. So guys, I hope that you learned something new and interesting, so please like, subscribe, and see ya!